Alright, in this video I'm changing the water filter in my Kitchenaid fridge. I'm at Home Depot and you can see these things cost $69. I did not pay that. I price matched to Best Buy. A little cost savings tip for you here. Always go find the cheapest price and then go to a store that charges more. You can see I paid $49.99 for it and then they gave me a 10% discount, $5. So in the end I paid 45 bucks. I believe Best Buy was selling them for $49.99 and then Home Depot and Lowe's in Canada have a price beat guarantee of 10%, so there you go. And then like any man, after saving $5 on a Friday night, I went and got myself a fruit smoothie. That's going to come in handy later, I assure you. Now, big fridge reveal, lots of cheese in there. The water filter on these Kitchenaid fridges is in the top right. I don't know if that's common in all fridges, but it's got a little door, push on the plastic thing, and then it's lefty-loosey to get that thing off there, and it's in there pretty tight actually. And you can see it's got a number 4 on it, and a really blurry shot of the one I just got, it is also a number 4. So I'll just open it out of this clamshell case, and then on the top of it there's a little tinfoil sticker, and obviously you gotta pull that off so that you could mount it into your fridge. And a great shot of the back of my arm here. It just screws into place just like the old one was, only instead of going lefty-loosey, you're going to go righty-tighty, and you're going to keep turning it until it's fully seated in the fridge. These are pretty stiff to put in and take out actually, so make sure you get it seated all the way so it doesn't leak. And then there's a button on here that says filter reset. I'm going to hold that button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And it's going to flash a little bit and the filter resets itself. So it's going to tell me when to change the filter later. So this is where getting that BJ on my way home is really going to pay dividends. I need to run water through the filter to get all the air out of the system and make sure the filter is running clean. I'm going to run about 4 of these booster juice cups full of water through the system, and basically it's pretty much good to go once you don't hear any air bubbles and stuff working through the system. Likewise, if the water's coming out dirty or dark, you still want to keep running that water through the filter until it's running out clear and you're not getting a whole bunch of air bubbles through the system. Like I said, it took about 3 or 4 of these booster juice cups and then it was good to go. And that Olivieri skillet gnocchi is actually pretty good, in case you were wondering. So quick run through with the clear glass. You can see it's coming clear, and that's pretty much all there is to this job. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.